So today's video is for the Huawei Y9 Prime users. So if you are having some battery issues with your mobile phone, like the battery is draining fast and you want to save power like battery power, you want to improve the battery performance, so I will show you how you can improve it. So before starting the video, if you are new on my channel, then please hit the subscribe button. I will appreciate that. So first of all, we'll go on the settings, and here you can see the battery option. We'll click on it, and now on the middle you can see the app launch. We'll click on that, and now you can see so many applications here. So there may be some applications in your mobile phone that you don't use much or you don't use them. So for example, there is an application that I don't use much, like MP3 cutter and ringtone maker. So I'll click on it, and now you can see three options have been revealed. So the first one is auto launch. We'll turn it off. The second one is secondary launch, can be launched by other apps. We don't need it, so we'll turn it off. And the third one is it can be running in the background, so we don't need it either, so we'll turn it off and we'll click on OK. So that's how we'll treat the other applications that we don't use much or we don't use them. So after that, we'll go back, and now on the top you can see the performance mode. So if it is on your mobile phone, so you should turn it off because it uses so much power. So the second one is power saving mode. You can turn it on, but if you receive some important emails, so you can't receive it if you turn it on. So I will recommend you that don't turn it on. So on the bottom now you can see looking for other settings. One is dark mode, second one is screen resolution. So dark mode is like you can see that I've applied the dark mode. It saves battery, so it's better that if you haven't applied the dark mode on your mobile phone, so please apply the dark mode. It will improve your battery performance. The second one is screen resolution. We'll click on it, and now on the bottom you can see two options. One is FHD plus, the second one is HD plus. So if you have selected on your mobile phone FHD plus, it uses more power, like more battery power. So what you need to do, you need to select HD plus. It will be better for you. One more tip for you, that if you are having very serious issue with your battery, then you need to apply black wallpaper on your screen. As you can see, I've applied on my screen, because if you apply the colored wallpaper, so the battery will be draining fast. So if you want to save your battery, you should be better apply the dark wallpaper. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.